Hey friends, it's me, Miss Blaney. I am here today to get you started with Fundations, which is one of my favorite subjects at school, so I'm excited to get started. Unit 1 is pretty quick. We go over all the letter sounds you learned in kindergarten. So today we have 3 letter sounds we're going to go over. In class, I always like to say the sound, and then I like for you to repeat after me. I know that sounds silly that you're alone in doing that, but it's awesome and it helps you connect it to your brain and learn even quicker. So I encourage you to do so. And when we come back to school, I really encourage you to do so. So let's get started with our first letter. T, top, t. T, top, t. You try it. Good job. B, bat, b. B, bat, b. You try it. Perfect. All right, last letter for today. F, fun, f. F, fun, f. Perfect. Let's do it with our standard letter cards. So standard letter cards are the lowercase letters, the same letters. They're just what you'll see in books when you read, and that means that the companies print in a certain font, so we need to be familiar with the way they look. You probably already are with all the reading that you've been doing. So, T, top, t. B, bat, b. F, fun, f. Perfect. Okay, friends, now we are going to do some letter formation. Right now, my cat really wants to learn with you guys, but I'm going to try to get him to move along. Now, you can use your manipulative bag at home and get out your dry erase marker. You can get out your clear protection sheet that you draw on over top of the worksheet that looks like lined paper. And you can use that to practice doing your letter formation with me if you'd like. Or if that doesn't work, you can do it on a piece of paper, or you could just watch and learn. So, if you will, let's get started with our first letter from today, which was the letter T. Let's go ahead and trace it with our fingers. So we can start, you can do this on the table, you can do it in the air, you can do it however you want. But we start at the skyline, we go straight down to the grass line, and then we cross it on the plane line. You guys know how to do that. Let's do it one more time. Start at the sky, down to the grass, cross on the plane. Now, let's do it with our writing utensil. I'm using my Expo marker on my dry erase board. Like I said, you do it the way that works best for you. So we're going to start at the sky, go down to the grass, and cross at the plane. You try it on yours. You can do it more than one time if you want. The great thing about digital learning is you can pause this video and go as fast or as slow as you want, but I encourage you not to go as fast as you can because that's when mistakes are made. So be smart, do it the best way for you. Let's move on to the next letter. I use a sock to erase because there's nothing wrong with this sock. I wash it and it smells great. It just looks not so great because it's got some of the ink over the years, but it's been a great eraser. Let's move on to the next letter, which is the letter B. So B also starts at the sky, and then it goes down to the grass. Let's just do it by tracing again. Start at the sky, down to the grass, and then you're not even going to pick up your pencil. You're just going to loop around to make that side of the B. All right? Let's do it again. Start at the sky, down to the grass, loop around, and connect to make your B. Let's do it with our writing utensil, whatever you're using. Start at the sky, straight down. I'm not picking up my pen. I am just going to scoop it around. Oops, I'm stuck on a spot, but look how beautiful that is. I hope yours looks just as beautiful. I wish I could see it. All right, try a few B's. Pause this video and unpause when you're ready to move on. Let's do our last letter, which is the letter F. So let's trace with our fingers first. We're going to start about between the sky and the plane. That's odd, but it makes it look so beautiful and right when it's done. So you're going to go up to the sky and bring it back down to the grass. And then you're just going to cross it on the plane. Let's do it again. Start right here in the middle. You're going to go up and down, cross. Let's do it with our writing utensil. I'm going to start right here between the sky and the plane. Go up to the sky, down to the grass, and cross her. It looks great. I hope yours looks great. And now we are finished with letter formation. Okay, last thing. I want to do a quick quiz. There are different ways you can participate. You can say the answer. You can point to the answer. You can use your letter tiles in your manipulative bag. You can write the answer. Whatever you want to do works for me. So, first, I want you to find the letter that makes the sound B, B, B. Good job. It's the letter B. All right, I want you to find the letter that makes the sound T, T, T. Exactly, it's a T. Good job. Last, I want you to find the letter that makes the sound F, F, F. Awesome, F, you got it.